Cincinnati's small 3.6-mile light rail system, now called the Cincinnati Bell Connector, has been in operation since 2016. The system's single line runs in a figure-8 style loop.
Stop, liberty, and race.
The connector line was developed to connect Cincinnati's downtown with the historic, but rundown, Over the Rhine district. Judging from my stay in the heart of the OTR neighborhood, the amount of urban improvements both completed and in process is truly amazing. This new light rail line has surely contributed to these renewal efforts.
Next stop, the 2nd Street Station at the Banks.
Since the line opening, it has faced a series of challenges including equipment problems and frequent track blockages. However, as of November 2020, the streetcar line has operating free of charge, permitting speedier operation and higher ridership. Every system needs a car barn, and here is the storage facility for its 5 CAF Turbo 3 cars located at the line's northern end.